Today we're gonna explore the Phi Phi Island. I'm gonna show you my best and my favorite restaurant here and the best coffee place that you should try if you're around. Let's discover together. Good morning. It was a big pool party actually yesterday. We're gonna go for coffee and then having our breakfast. We also have to find a place to do our laundry. Let's go. This is basically our favorite coffee place. We ordered flat white for 80 baht. Just got this. After that we had a walk in Tonsai. So we walked to the center just to find a place to confirm our return ticket to Volanta. Found this mosque. There's a waiting list on the other side. It's basically free. I would recommend you to book one day before or in the afternoon if you would like to have a dinner. Seafood house here. They decided to give us this. So tasty. Walking around some broken clouds. Will we find a way to live without the falling rain? Always. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button and see you in the next episode.